The Northern Ireland Protocol has been blamed for the plan to remove VAT from British energy bills being scrapped. DUP MP Sammy Wilson believes the Northern Ireland Brexit deal has impacted the government's ability to tackle soaring energy bills for Britons across the UK. The Northern Irish MP suggests the Brexit protocol has prevented Chancellor Rishi Sunak from taking concrete action to scrap VAT from UK energy bills. Mr Wilson told Express.co.uk, the protocol has affected people in other parts of the United Kingdom, of course, don't forget. Because Rishi Sunak had considered taking VAT off, and the Tories had indeed committed themselves to taking VAT off energy bills once we left the EU. That was one of the things the Prime Minister made clear: we can't take VAT off your energy bills because we're part of the EU and EU laws on VAT don't allow us to do it. Then when they considered that for the whole United Kingdom, they found they couldn't apply it to Northern Ireland because we are still under the VAT regime. So it was dropped for the whole United Kingdom. Back in January, Mr Wilson challenged the Prime Minister directly on the issue of soaring energy prices. He demanded the government find a way to capitalise on all the energy opportunities available to Britain after Brexit, including cutting VAT on energy bills. The East Antrim MP went as far as to call for a review of VAT on energy bills with the aim of maximising our Brexit freedoms. Mr Wilson also slammed green levies for adding to the burden on British consumers. Addressing Mr Johnson in Parliament, he said, "Millions across the United Kingdom are facing great difficulty with their energy bills. 30% of those bills are actually driven by the government in the form of VAT various green levies. Can we have a review of the green levy as well so that people are not forced with the burden of unsustainable fuel bills?" Mr Johnson would later dismiss scrapping VAT on energy bills as a blunt instrument. Downing Street did address whether the Northern Ireland Protocol would have hampered the government's efforts to mitigate the impact of VAT on consumers. The Prime Minister told a press conference at the time, "The argument is that it's a bit of a blunt instrument and the difficulty is you end up cutting fuel bills for a lot of people who perhaps don't need the support in quite the direct way that we need to give it." We need to help people who are in fuel poverty the most.